I took the long here, one here, and then here it was just basically on breakout. Get back into this 15-minute candle bottom, I mean top, and here's the target up here at 58. So let's see if we get that. Stop loss pretty much here, below that 5-minute. Should get a continuation. I might, because we're gonna have a 15-minute now here, I might actually close. The moment we take that, I might actually close one. I will have to close one somewhere here in 2 seconds. We'll see now. Let's see if we're gonna push. I'm not gonna give anything here. This trade is based on the pullback because we had a nice push, pullback into this 15-minute candle. I entered the trade. The first entry was here, then I added the second one, and I'm holding, but it looks like I'm going to be stopped. Do I want to hold this for a little bit, give a little bit more space? I can't even change my stop loss anymore. Nice push. Okay, if we drop, I'm going to buy it a bit cheaper than the. We're going to be stopped. I mean, my stop loss should be down here, but because I have a position up here, I'm gonna let it stop me, and if we go lower, I will re-enter it here if that happens. So just basically improve my position, my entry. Okay, stop for break even. Let's say if we're gonna take that 5-minute candle here now. And probably lower than that, somewhere here. Let's see. So based on okay. That's a better entry here. There we go. Based on this fair value gap up here. So I'll try to close one to improve my position. I got 2 more minutes on this candle. Let's see if how this is going to end, because if it ends at the top, then we can expect continuation somewhere higher. I might sell one here. That's a 15-minute candle top. and I don't really want to sell, to be honest, because that's like a beautiful pullback. They wanted to grab the liquidity, they took it. I'm gonna actually go stop loss break even plus one tick. I think if we go, I mean, yeah, yeah, I think yeah, if we go, we should go. I mean, we should go. I said I'm gonna sell it, but I did sell. I did sell. Um, because of yeah, I just wanted to sell probably somewhere here, but I pushed it too low. And we should continue. We should continue. Why? Because look, we just grabbed that liquidity, beautiful drop, collected everything. That's a nice pullback. Market is pumping. Target is up here. Target is up here. There you go. So that's where we're going, right? This is where we're going. I mean, I can re-enter it. No, okay, let's just leave it. It's a good trade. Beautiful reversal. We should pump. The drop will be cancelled. This is where the drop started. This is where we're gonna go. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Do I need to hold it up there? Technically speaking, a target is at London buy side up there. We have stop losses here, here, and here. Can be triggered, allowing market to go higher. Yeah, definitely. Let's have a look. Let's have a look because this might actually work. That's the high of the day, you know, RTH. So I'm not going to be too greedy looking for London buy side. I'll go just in front of this. Pretty happy with this trade if I can catch that. Yeah. So this trade it's a 15 minutes reversal into the trapped liquidity. So if you're looking, so we're trading two things. We're trading 15 minutes liquidity sweeps and reversals or pullbacks into the 15-minute liquidity pullbacks. So see that we just dropped into this liquidity, that liquidity. It's a beautiful entry. People who were shorting that here and here got trapped here, and that was a beautiful opportunity for them to get out, and they got out. That's why we got the push higher into that 15-minute liquidity, right? Don't worry about that. I just dropped that thing only to see where Street would be shorting, because Street likes to short this kind of trend lines. And then once we push through that, we should pump higher. So it's not that I'm using it, as Street is using it. Retail is using this kind of lines. So it's nothing to do with real trading, but it's all about liquidity. So that's a proof that shorts were wrong and they got out. And we pushed into these highs. We can pull back, obviously, yeah. But I think we're gonna go up. It's just a matter of time. We got 7 more minutes. So yeah, let's just put this break even. That's it. We took a little bit already. I'm going to be holding the rest. Almost got stopped up. Okay, so they're gonna be using another 15 minutes here to push through. In 2 minutes, I'm gonna have 1 o'clock. Market is filling this void. We'll push through that, probably somewhere here into this candle, which is not a 15-minute liquidity because 15-minute liquidity is here, but this is just a spike. Let me have a look on the volume profile. Yeah, this is volume profile, and let me have a look on RTH volume profile. Let's have a look on RTH volume profile. Yeah, that's pretty much where we should go. This is one leg, second leg will be up there. Let's measure it. Let's measure that leg. Leg number 1 and leg number 2. Yeah, that's pretty much how far we should go. So I'm going to say close into this liquidity here. Right, we are pushing through this 1 minute before. So that means we are extending liquidity. We're extending the 15 minutes candle. And yeah, that's the top of the candle. And now we just sold into it. Let's see if we get continuation, because we had this one here as well. Okay. Yeah. Let's say if we get continuation. A little pullback. Let's see. Yeah, these guys are short. They got caught. I think I'm gonna drive market high. What's he talking about? I can hear him. Yeah, it does look like we want to go up there, to be honest. What's this music? Yeah, I mean, target is up here, to be honest. That's the measurement. So, yeah, should push up there and continue higher. Lovely pullback. Do I want to squeeze another $100? Because that was 600 was here. Do I want to squeeze? Because I know the moment we push into this 15 minutes, we can just pull lower. So I'm not going to wait for that. I'm going to try to grab. It's 525. A lovely push. I should push into the liquidity to take everybody out who was shorting that range. This is where they have stop loss. If they've been shorting here, they have stop losses above. Well, one tick above. You could get a push into this area. Very easy. Very easy to get there. Wow. One tick below. It's like if you were short, you know they're gonna hit that. So it's just the only problem is it's only 1:04, so they have time to do it. They mark that. Usually I close just before, like 1 point below, to avoid front running. But now I'm just gonna go with 1 point above, because I think we should take that. We're gonna trigger some stops. Oh my god, even here. Time, I got time. I got 10 more minutes. I mean, that was pretty close. One tick, god damn it. Oh, no, this is not good. This is not good. Okay, so they dropped to this 5. Some people trapped here, getting out. Should get back up there. Take that 5 and push higher. I mean, here we have stop losses for sure. The only problem I see. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, I should get that. It's a difference, like if I didn't close, I could have closed into the 15-minute, right? But I didn't do it. So do I close this now for this 380 or 100 or $400? I'm gonna wait a little bit, because even if we drop down there, they're gonna pull it back up, because we have trapped people here. A lot of trapped people in this area. So 7 past, another candle will open, dip, push. Got 15-minute, this one, and boom, we can go even up there. Tick chart, 0 line. Let's see how they respond here. Should buy that. Just in case. You see the tick chart is a little bit weaker. Yeah, but this should just go, man. They have stops up here. The only problem is it's a lunch, so they might fool around because of lunchtime. Should have closed it here. One point before. It's just not worth to hold us like that. So now I can push higher. This is 61. So how about now? It's gonna close this here, 62.5. Sorry, 6 more minutes. Okay, so yeah, grabbing this. We're gonna close here. Just one tick above. There you go. $600. So we made 237 and 600. I did take some trades before, but it was just basically break even on a day. I think $150. I took some stupid trades. Didn't want to show you that as stuff to. I wasn't basically. I wasn't waiting for the liquidity sweeps or liquidity revisits. Oh, there we go. It's just pushing me to that now. So we closed up here. I think here, and there was another 2 points. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, if I switch to ES, I did something really stupid because I anticipated trade instead of waiting for liquidity sweep. I anticipated trade. So basically, two things happened. At the open, I was a bit late at the computer and missed that. Basically, when I loaded everything, I missed that drop. It was a 15-minute liquidity sweep, 1, 2, beautiful place. Just get in there on the short side. It didn't happen for me. I didn't catch that. You could easily, take that and basically sell into that. That was 49, 37, 10 points or something. Wait for the drop down here. And the drop down here, I didn't see volume profile properly, and that drop was again 115 and another 15 candle. Right? Should have bought that, but I was thinking we might go to London sell side, but there was not enough liquidity to go. They just didn't want to do it. But once we pushed, I went short somewhere here. I was initially in the profit, couple of points, didn't close. Waited for the push down here into London sell side, which never happened, and then I got trapped. And instead of getting out here, when I pushed and could have got out here, I stubbornly held that trade, and I don't know, somewhere here closed with a loss, and it was $500 loss, and it was more than that, but I closed at $500. Then I got into a really good trade on the short side because I noticed, okay, fine, they took that liquidity, they pushed through this liquidity. We were stepping into this trapped longs, and then we reversed, and I think I got short somewhere here, and or maybe here 47, and I was 12 points in profit. I was 40, yeah, like $700, and I did not close that. Why I didn't close it? Well, I will tell you why. It's a psychology thing. You're minus 500 on a day. You missed that short. You didn't make money, and you're like, oh shit, I missed that money. Then I got trapped here, and I was $500 on because I did add somewhere at the top here, and then managed to basically get out with 500 loss. Once you are 700, which would put me 200 in profit, it was enough because it was already 10:30. That means that will be the end of my day of trading. Look how they're pushing. So we did close way too early. They are going for this high, but that's okay. That was our target. We closed here. It's okay. So 700 down here plus in the green, and it did not close. It's fine. And we pushed higher. I add. We pull down here. Probably like 600 in profit at this point. 550. Look at that final push. Woo! It's crazy, crazy push into the highs. Boom. I'm getting short here, right? Because that's a 15-minute sweep. Although there's this crazy candle. So if you want to do that, you have to grab a little bit, just a little bit. Don't be too greedy. They can push even higher now because they have another 15-minute candle up here. So don't be too greedy. Just grab what you can and get out. Yeah. Even more. Fine. There you go. And they're going for London buy side. They're gonna go and grab that London buy side for sure. So you have to be there. So yeah, I mean, should have stayed it this long, but it's all right. Now we're gonna get back somewhere here. We should get back somewhere here, to be honest, because this is what they did. They sold. They fool around here a little bit. That's 16 plus. So we have just created a 15-minute candle. That's the bottom of the 15-minute candle. That's the trapped 15-minute. So we should get a little bit push into just a little bit of push. We should get a little bit of push somewhere here. Unfortunately, we're not going to grab more, but we'll still get something when the pullback happens. So I got short here, probably too early. Should have waited for the push into at least here and then add here. I'll be better. But yeah, I wasn't patient. We did hit this 800 on tick chart, which is great. We sold into this highs. We sold into London buy side. Are we gonna continue? I don't think so. I don't think so. Today, that's not the time of the day to continue. It's 1:15. We're just gonna fool around here for a while. So, because we took that a little bit too early, we had to add on another 15 minutes. Now our goal is to get out from this trade. We can get out break even, or we can hold a little bit longer. We could actually close this here. What if we are wrong? Then we'll have to take the loss. We'll have to take the loss. I'm just looking what's next. Liquidity somewhere here. I'm not going to wait for that. It'll be a disaster. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to load free and close. I mean, we should get some sort of reaction here. Always we get reaction. And, we always get reaction from this kind of moves. Sometimes just have to wait a little bit longer. Watch that tick chart. My entry is bad. First entry here, second entry. That was like a final, final push. All the stops are out. All stops are out on that push. This could be a reversal here into the close. Reversal into the close. Okay, 19 past. Yeah. Okay, so we have this fair value gap. Nah, I'm gonna get out from this. I'm not gonna even hold this. I'm gonna get out if I can get out. Pull back into this fair value gap. Probably they're gonna bind it one more time, and then we can short it again, most likely. Once we, yeah, it's all right. Hopefully, just gonna drop down there. If not, then we have to get up. We had a good news yesterday, right? Yeah, yesterday we had that good news. Unemployment claims. So they might play that into the close and try to buy. Yeah, they're buying it. You can see, you can tell that. Come on, not so far from my break even. Stop loss. Almost there, but it wasn't there. One tick makes the difference. My re-enters one more time, a little bit lower on another candle. Maybe even this one. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes there was like a minor liquidity. This was just a minor liquidity that unfortunately, I shouldn't have used this as a liquidity to enter long. I was talking about something. I saw that boom started to get in. Yeah. So what do you think? Are we gonna get that break-even trade? We should. We should. And now, boom, take that. Oh, god damn it. Oh, this is the worst. Almost pressed the button, but I didn't. This is the worst thing that can happen to you. Second time drop, one tick lower, and the market is going higher. But we should get some reaction. What's the reaction? 72. 70, 69. We're not expecting too much. They should get more than that. 3-4 points usually is the yeah. Come on. Must be like a huge order here. Okay, you know what? The moment. Yeah, which is great because I got stopped on the straight break even and I just bought it, which is good, because this candle is, you know, don't want to go long up here, but anyway, I think we got stopped on break even here, right? Yeah, there you go. So, and so first I got stopped and then I pressed that button to get out. Anyway, I don't want to go long up here. It's just not my trading style. I mean, I'm not buying breakouts at 125. No, I'm not buying breakouts at 125. Although it does feel like they could continue based on that news from yesterday, unemployment claims. That was pretty decent number in comparison to the previous week. Non-farm employment change. That was a bad number, indicating recession. And people started to sell quite heavy. So we could get a bit of reversal of all this. I mean, even when you look at this today, we dropped. We could even take this London sell side. We just sold into London buy side, and look at that. You know, this whole night, this drop was orchestrated drop. On Wednesday, they pulled everything one more time. They grabbed everything. Look at that. They grabbed all this stuff. All the liquidity. If I extend this, actually, let me just show you that. What is this thing? Yeah. Look at it. So they grabbed all of that volume with that spike down here, build it up, push the market up there, and we are holding. And look at this, one leg, second leg up here, somewhere here, back to 5,500. Maybe up there. Very possible. Because of this news. Because of this news here. Yeah. There you go. Get your breakout. If you like to trade breakouts, I don't. But that's why I thought that we might go actually. It's Friday afternoon. They collected again all that range from night. And we're pumping higher. So there you go. This is Strap Trader from London, guys. Take care and see you Monday.